welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing one of my favorite desserts, especially during the summertime at cookouts with the fam. Yes, I am bringing you pretzel salad, and of course it's veganized. Whoever said that you couldn't have some of your favorite dishes from like childhood when you were not a vegan, not on a plant-based diet? Whoever said you couldn't have those being on these diets? I don't know who said that, but you can. And so if you're interested in making pretzel salad or seeing how I make my pretzel salad and veganizing it, stay tuned. Oh, one more thing before we jump into it. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so already. And thanks for everybody that has already subscribed. Now let's jump into it.
Before we get started, I just want to let you know that the link to the recipe is in the description box below. So if you want to download it or print it out, you have that option as well. So what we're first going to do is we're going to mix together our chopped pretzels, some butter, and sugar until mixed very well. Now we're going to pour our pretzel mixture into our pan and smooth it out until all spaces are covered and push it up to the edges. And then we're going to bake it for about 10 minutes, set it aside and let it cool. While the pretzels are baking, I'm going to go ahead and work on the middle layer. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cream together the cream cheese and sugar. I'm using the Veggie brand of cream cheese. And we're going to cream that together with our electric mixer. You want to do this step until the cream cheese and sugar is very smooth. I did mine for about 4 minutes, so you want to do it, like I said, until it's very well mixed and nice and smooth. And this is what the consistency should look like. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our So Delicious Cocoa Whip, which is like Cool Whip, but of course it's made of coconut milk. And you want to go ahead and fold that into your cream cheese mixture. Do not whip it together. Do not like mix it. You definitely just want to fold. I took the lazy route and did it with my spoon, but it came out just fine. But of course, you want to use a spatula to do this. So next what we're going to do is put our cream cheese mixture on top of our cooled pretzels. And you want to smooth that all the way to the edges. Now in this video, I'm putting down a thin layer of the cream cheese mixture, and then I'm going to add some fresh strawberries. You can skip this step and put all of your cream cheese mixture down and then add strawberries onto the top of that. But I'm just doing like 2 layers. I'm trying to be extra fancy. So it's totally up to you how you layer yours. So after I get done putting the strawberries down, I'm going to go back and add the rest of the cream cheese on top of the strawberries. And like I said, we're going to smooth it and make sure that we are getting it all the way to the edges, because we don't want the Jello to seep through. So it's important that you get your cream cheese mixture all the way to your edges. And once we're done with this, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and start working on our next step. So for our next step, we're going to go ahead and put our Jello mix in some boiling water, and we're going to mix it together until it is fully dissolved. Once it's dissolved, we're going to add some very cold water. I froze my water or put it in the freezer for a little while just to make sure it was nice and cold. And then you're going to just mix that together until it starts to solidify and like Jello. And then you want to set it aside for like 5 minutes. This mixture really sets fast, so you don't have to set it aside for too long. You just want to make sure it's cool enough before you add it on top of that cream cheese. And it should kind of look like egg white consistency before you add it on top. Once you've added all your Jello, you want to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 hours, but overnight is preferable so that you know for sure everything has fully set and it's ready to cut. And I got my Jello from Amazon. I found this vegan Jello on Amazon, and it wasn't too pricey, so I was happy about that.
Alright, so please tell me what you think of this pretzel salad recipe. I can't wait for you guys to try it out and let me know how it turns out for you. It is so bomb and so scrumptious. Like, when I was eating that, you couldn't have told me that this was vegan. Like, it doesn't even taste any different from the non-vegan version. So, tell me what you guys think. Man, I'm telling you, if you want to trick people into thinking they're eating something that's not vegan, like, this is the dish to do it with, because this tastes absolutely like the non-vegan version. So, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe and turn that bell on. And make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching.